Manang Yoli, nakita mo ba si Mama Regina? Bakit, Manang?
Balae.
Don't call me Balae. That position is for extended family only and not for freeloading predators who can't keep their legs closed. Ano? Tuwan-tuwa ka siguro na naloko niyo ako, no? What? Were you smiling every time tinatanggalan mo ng sinturon ang asawa ko? Huh? Were you laughing at me every time you were kissing his filthy mouth? Akala ko second-hand bags lang ang gusto mo. Yung pala second-hand affection ng asawa ko. I thought you were here for your daughter, but no. You were actually here providing extra service for the landlord. Nakakasuka ka!
Mama, natukso lang po yung mama ko. Nagkamali po siya, pero hindi po siya masamang tao.
Nagkamali, Marge! You make a mistake when you overcook the pasta or when you wear off-season couture. But what your mother did is she ambushed my marriage. I thought you were my friend. Pinagkatiwalaan kita. But you were just a professional scavenger na nag-aantay ng mga tira-tira ko.
Regina, patawarin mo ako. Nagsisisi na ako sa nagawa ko. Natukso lang ako sa kalungkutan ko, Regina.
I don't care how lonely you are or how lonely you were. Loneliness is not an excuse for you to be cheap. Do you know what you are? You're a knock-off bag na pag sa malayo okay, pero pag nasa harapan na, kitang-kita kung gano'n ka pa. Ano? Sige, ipagtanggol mo pa yung nanay mo. It just proves how undignified you are, like your mother!
Saktan mo ako, pero wag mo lang sasaktan ang anak ko!
Ma! Ano na?
Huwag mong sasaktan ang mama ko!
Teka!
Mama ko!
Ano ba nangyayari?
This two-faced woman and your father, they have been turning our house into a cheap roadside motel. Pinagtataksila nila ako sa sarili nating pamamahay.
No, Ma. You must be...
I'm not mistaken!
Dad! Totoo ba to?
She was the one flirting with me. Ilang beses kong tinanggihan ang advances niya. Pero naawa ako dahil mukhang desperado siya. If anything, I am the victim here. Inabuso niya ang kabaitan ko.
Nay!
Ikaw ang umakit sa akin! Ikaw! Yung nangyari sa atin, isang beses lang yon. Dahil ikaw ang umabuso sa kalungkutan ko!
Nay!
Hayop ka! Hayop!